Jamaica, watch this.
How difficult it is sometimes to deal with our citizens. But you must remember that they too come from a place of mistrust and fear. And there is a culture, unfortunately, in our country which we don't speak about because we have a sense of exceptionalism of ourselves. But the truth is, we resist authority. So the police is coming to the citizen with the notion that their authority must automatically be accepted and respected because I wear the uniform. And the citizen is coming to the interaction with the police that historically these persons have been oppressive and unfair and unjust, and I am going to resist and defend my rights. Immediately, there is the setup for a confrontation in the society. This cannot continue as we seek to modernize our society. There must be a watershed period where this ends. In the same way that we have been able to end political violence and we are now getting on top of murders, the police force must now lead in dealing with how we manage police-citizen interaction. Let me say this, the public may not readily know the mechanics of how policy is formed in national security. Maybe some of the officers here may not. But there is such a thing as the National Security Council. The National Security Council is a committee of the cabinet, and it brings together all the ministers and their permanent secretaries responsible for ministries that have line responsibility for security. It also has all the heads of security entities. Obviously, the JDF, the JCF, MOCA, Customs. We have recently added ODPEM because managing disasters have now become a part of national security concerns. And we meet once every month and we discuss the interconnectivity of all of these entities for national security. And high on the agenda, repeated on the agenda, I've raised it several times to the Commissioner of Police, is the uncivil interactions between citizens and the police force. I've seen it so often, it's shared on social media. It makes the country look bad, damaging to our image. It is now time that the JCF develops and deploys, along with other stakeholders, a national public education campaign to, I don't want to use the word teach, but that's what it comes down to educate our citizens.
Comment your thoughts, like, and follow Feed the latest Jamaica news as it drop.
Educate the police as to how they should interact with the citizens. And this will have to be